mà tún ti ń rúgbó bọ̀ báyìí Omoyele Sowore ó tún ti fi ojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ lórí ẹ̀sùn cybercrime tí bàbá olówó kan tó tún jẹ́ sẹ́nítọ̀ lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà ìyẹn sẹ́nítọ̀ Ned Nwoko tó fi kàn án. Èèyàn bá rántí pé nínú oṣù kejì ọdún 2024 tá a wà yìí ó ní Omoyele Sowore ṣe rí ìtúsílẹ̀ gbà lọ́wọ́ àjọ DSS lẹ́yìn tí ìjọba àpapọ̀ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà yìí tí wọ́n fagilé ẹ̀sùn ìdìtẹ̀ ìfipágbàjọba tí wọ́n fi kàn án láti ọdún 2019. Ṣùgbọ́n báyìí ó dàbí ìgbà wípé Omoyele Sowore tún ti wọnú ìgbẹ́jọ́ míì pẹ̀lú bí ó ṣe tún padà wá sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà báyìí láti ìlú Amẹ́ríkà níbi tí ó ti lọ ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ẹbí ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tó ti lo ọdún 5 gbáko ní detention àwọn àjọ DSS. Eléyìí mà lágbára o. Kí tí wọ́n ní Omoyele Sowore ṣe báyìí fún bàbá olówó sẹ́nitọ́ Ned Nwoko àti àjọ ọlọ́pàá ní ìlú Àbújá tó tún fi di pé wọ́n gbé lọ́gán ó tún dìlé ẹjọ́. Eléyìí lẹ́tíkẹ́ o ẹ̀yin èèyàn. Sórí ìkànnì DigiNaija television ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ máa bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lábẹ́ fídíò yìí ẹ láìkí fídíò yẹn fèrò yín sí comment kẹ́sì máa bá mi share káàkiri orí ayélujára. Nínú àlàyé tí Omoyele Sowore ṣe sí orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ìyẹn Facebook page ló ti ṣàlàyé wípé nínú oṣù kẹjọ ọdún 2021 ó ní sẹ́nitọ́ Ned Nwoko lẹ̀dí àpò pọ̀ mọ́ commissioner of police ní ìlú Àbújá láti fi páńpẹ́ ọba gbé òun nítorí ìròyìn kan tí wọ́n sọ wípé iléeṣẹ́ ìròyìn òun ìyẹn Sahara Reporters Media Group wípé wọ́n fi léde láwọn àsìkò ìgbà kan eléyìí tí wọ́n ní ó kọ̀mìtì cybercrime offence. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe ń wò nínú fọ́nrán eléyìí Omoyele Sowore rèé ní ilé ẹjọ́ níbi tí ó ti ń gbìyànjú láti ṣàlàyé ara ẹ̀ fún olùgbẹ́jọ́ wípé bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé òun ni òun dá iléeṣẹ́ òun sílẹ̀ iléeṣẹ́ yìí ó dá dúró lọ́wọ́ ara ẹ̀ ni ó sì yẹ kí wọ́n gba ọ̀nà tó tọ́ láti sáàbù iléeṣẹ́ yìí ní ìwé kí wọ́n sì gbà wọ́n láàyè láti fi representative tiwọn sílẹ̀ eléyìí tó ṣe wípé ó ṣeé ṣe kí ó má jẹ́ òun lòun máa jẹ́ representative wọn. Eléyìí lẹ ti kẹ́ o ẹ̀yin èyí ẹ jẹ́ àgbàláyé ẹ̀ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́ lẹ́nu Omoyele Sowore.
That of the registered certificate of Sahara Reporters in the US. You do not know the name of winners here. Does the AFC know the location of winners and the guy you are talking to in this court? No. But are they not mentioned in the trial? Of course, yes. Are you trying winners? Of course, no. Because the AFC do not bring winners here. They put a representative of the winners that they arrested. If they wanted to try winners in front of you, you would have requested that a hearing service, hearing notice be given to winners. You have a similar case here. Is it because we are Nigerians and don't abuse us? I set up a company, they don't lie about it. And the company wants people there independently of me. I know they hate me because I expose corruption. But my Lord, don't allow justice to be insulted in your court. If you want proper trial, you deserve a hearing notice. Is that not simple? Is that not procedure that you give hearing notice to someone who will appear before you for a similar trial? As our reporters can get that point, and I'm telling you, my Lord, they have a manifest of which I am no longer part. I told you this. I told you that when I go to the US, I'll be able to give you documents because DSS sees my fault. Today, they don't have people, but I have documents that I got yesterday. But I don't have a hearing notice. I'm here to represent myself. I've spent over $4,000 to travel back because I promised you on my honor and the honor of this court that I'm not going to run away. Unless I feel a second they will say that I'm a baby service. This one does discharge us guilty. You know what I mean? Why would I want to wait for the cyber case that you concocted?
This case is particularly very laughable. That this so-called billionaire Ned Nwoko went to the Commissioner of Police of FCT, the Federal Capital of Thieves, you know, to go and say that I insulted him in Sahara Reporters, that I'm stalking him. What they don't even know is that the cybercrime law has been amended and signed last month
Exactly.
So the section that affects me has to do with pornography. Am I a pornographer? That's a new law now, but we are not even there yet. But that the police will be using their time on these rubbish cases. Today we'll be going and try to bail out a guy, Jele, who has been detained for 40 days by a religious leader somewhere in the east. And what the jailer said is on if you say that you are doing miracles, can you provide evidence of miracles? The man now went to police. And if you believe in God, why do you need police that is godless to go and be charging people to court?
There is no member of the status quo that can eradicate suffering in the country. There is no member of the status quo that will bring about development in this country. Because members of the status quo will continue to do coastal highway, fraudulent coastal highways for outrageous trillions, just to settle political sponsors and people for political patronage.
Same for the purpose of this trial. You cannot. Somebody is in this country for a very serious business, political business, revolutionary business.
Yes.
You cannot say that person is managing a company. It's like you say Tinubu is the one managing TVC.
Yes,
you can't say that.
If you managing NTA.
He's managing NTA. You can't say that. But we are still trying to look at how barbaric is that reason to think somebody that is vying for the presidency of this country is even here to be the one managing a company.
lẹ́yìn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ atótónu olùgbẹ́jọ́ padà pàṣẹ wípé kí wọ́n fi ìwé pe Sahara Reporters Media Group gẹ́gẹ́ bí iléeṣẹ́ tó dá dúró láyé ara ẹ̀ kí wọ́n sì gbà wọ́n láàyè láti ní any representative tó bá wù wọ́n láti wá represent wọn ní ilé ẹjọ́ yàtọ̀ sí Omoyele Sowore fúnra ẹ̀. Àmọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí lè ròǹgbà yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ máa fi sí comment káàjọba àtàkùrọ̀sọ. Ṣé kìí ṣe wípé bígbà wípé wọ́n mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ fẹ́ fi ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀hún kan fi lọ mọ́ Omoyele Sowore lẹ́sẹ̀ ni bóyá nǹkan míì wà níbẹ̀ tí wọ́n gbìyànjú láti mú Omoyele Sowore sítorí iléeṣẹ́ tó dá dúró láyé ara ẹ̀ irrespective of ẹni tí ó dá iléeṣẹ́ ọ̀hún sílẹ̀ yẹ kí ilé ẹjọ́ gbà wọ́n láàyè láti ní representative tiwọn nítorí the fact that pé Omoyele Sowore ló dá Sahara Reporters Media Group sílẹ̀ kò nítumọ̀ sí wípé òun ni ó ń ṣàkóso gbogbo ìròyìn tí ó bá ń jáde láti iléeṣẹ́ ọ̀hún kò sì túmọ̀ sí wípé ní gbogbo ìgbà tí iléeṣẹ́ ọ̀hún bá ní ẹjọ́ ní ilé ẹjọ́ ṣe wípé Omoyele Sowore ni wọ́n mọ̀ fi páńpẹ́ ọba gbé ní gbogbo ìgbà since tó ṣe wípé iléeṣẹ́ ọ̀hún wà duly registered ní abẹ́ òfin lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà gbogbo bẹ́yìn bá ṣe wá lérò ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí ẹ máa sọ sí comment káàjọ máa gbé yẹ̀wò ẹ má wàá gbàgbé láti bá mi tẹ subscribe button tó wà lójú ìwòran yín tẹ́yìn ò bá ti tẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ like fídíò yìí ẹ fèrè yín sí comment kẹ́sì máa bá mi pín káàkiri orí ayélujára ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń wò mí ní gbogbo ìgbà.